maybe you could tell us a little bit about the process. How did you find us? What was the experience like for you?
Well, a neighbor has a solar system that you guys had installed, and I was impressed with what he was getting out of it, and I wanted to bring this property up to modern times. I'm going to switch over to a heat pump in the next year, and my wife's going to have an electric car here very soon.
Nice.
So I decided to get the solar system.
That's wonderful.
Very happy with it. I called you guys. You sent your sales guy out, which
Seth.
Seth,
Yeah.
yes, Seth. He was very thorough. He came back with a full 3D drawing. The layout was fine. We tweaked it a little bit, and you guys came and installed exactly when you said you would, and finished when you said you were going to finish.
Excellent, excellent. And so the design process, you said you made some tweaks. Was that? I'm looking up at your array right now. Was it aesthetic stuff you wanted to?
Just aesthetics, yeah. I would have gone for more panels myself. My wife didn't want certain roofs to be covered in panels.
Yeah, I noticed the array has some symmetry around the other roof structure, you know.
Yes.
And it seems like that was intentional.
There's 3 flat roofs on this house. You guys utilized 2 of them. We left the one open. It's a ballasted system. I was very worried about because it's almost new. So your guys assured me that no fasteners would go into the roof, which I was fine with it after that. Yeah, I wanted as many panels. Our roof it's a little complicated.
And you certainly don't have much shade.
That's exactly why I wanted to do it. Not much shade, and when the sun is shining, I feel like it's being wasted.
Well, I like that, because we like to say that sunshine's a wasted.